Hello and welcome everybody. Bullets Garage checking in with you. It's been a minute. I know I'm just putting out videos here and there when they come, when I get some products sent out. Until the replacement for the GSF comes, the good old daily here, Honda Accord's been doing just great. I'm actually looking for new tires because these are shot. But when I get a replacement for the GSF, there will be more car content. So just stay tuned, be patient with me. I'm taking my sweet time, making sure all finances are in order and all that stuff. But today we have a little dilemma. What I have to do is my Honda Accord. This is a 2013, guys. Okay, 2013 Honda Accord. You could see how dry rotted these tires are. So I'm in the process of getting new tires, which has been a damn hassle. Let me give you a quick overview. So I ordered tires from Costco. These are a 245, 45, 18. I ordered a 245, 50, 18 just to get a little bit more sidewall, okay? So it could be more cushiony for the potholes in Chicago. I get to Costco, tires there for the install. They're like, sorry, sir, we can't install these because we have a 3% rule, and the bigger tire size that you ordered might cause rubbing and suspension damage and problems and this and that. And I'm like, okay, how much bigger is the percentage? They're like, oh, it's 3.8. I'm like, so you tell me you can't install my tires because it's a 0.8 difference. And I know it's not going to rub, it's not going to have any issues. I'm like, I'll sign a waiver that you're not liable, anything, whatever. They wouldn't install it. Can you guys believe that? So I went back. I'm like, all right, cancel that order. Order the correct same exact size. So they ordered the same size. A couple days later, I go back. They take this one wheel off. And they're like, they call me back to the shop and they're like, sir, we can't install these tires because the lug nut that you have on here is not the original one. So you should have a conical and you have an acorn design. So it's kind of eating into the rim. So it's not safe to put this rim on. So we can't install your tires. We can't put this rim on because it's a safety issue. We have to put your spare on. Bro, it was just a freaking headache to deal with Costco. So now I'm just looking at other options, what I could do. But anyway, I digress. What I'm doing here today is that front right tire leaks a lot of air. And the car pulls to the right. So what I'm going to do is take that one off, put it here in the back. But while I have them off, I'm going to use that Superclean to degrease those inside barrels because they are freaking filthy. So we're going to show you how that Superclean works. And yeah, if you guys have any hookups on tires, DM me, Instagram message me, send me an email, write me a comment below, and I will for sure check out the deal. Thank you. I have a coworker here. You just chilling in the car? You guys are just chilling? Where's your big brother? Yeah, you guys can just chill there. It's cool. It's totally cool. It is pretty chilly, guys. It's about to be May 1st, okay? And it's freaking 49 degrees outside and raining. Like, this weather is trash. So upsetting, man. So upsetting. But anyway, let me get this car up in the air, take these off, and let's do some cleaning. And yes, guys, I know where I'm jacking the car up from. This car has a very easy jack point, not like the GSF, okay? So I don't want to hear no dumb comments. Oh, look, he didn't even look where he's putting the jack again. It's gonna be another jack fail video. No, it's not, okay? It's not gonna be another jack fail video. So, just calm your titties. I'm a professional. All right, let me get my handy dandy knife. And what we're gonna do, yeah, boy. Yeah, we're gonna do a little something like that. You gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta make it work, guys. Life is never gonna be sunshine and rainbows, okay? So you just gotta make it work. Oh, brother. Look at that nice, thick, juicy coat of foam. All right, I'm gonna let this dwell for like a good 5 minutes. Let it eat, let it do a thing. All right, ladies and gents, let's see how this is doing here, huh? So I got my soft bristle brush. Gonna do some agitation. And you could see already, look at that. Look at that, will ya? Let me see if we can see this right here. Without even rinsing it, you could see that shine. That's great. So let me go ahead and just scrub-a-dub-dub these bad boys real good. All right, guys, so let me give this a nice rinse. Holy guacamole. Do you guys see this barrel? Yes, it is like pitted up and stuff all over. This wheel is 10 years old. But just look at the difference by a little scrub compared to what this was before. I mean, holy crap. That is fan-freaking-tastic. Super clean. Keep up the good work. And this smells great. Like, there's no harsh chemicals with this. I'm gonna go again, round 2. Like, it doesn't smell bad at all. So, great product, guys. Make sure you check it out. Get yourself for yourself. Look at all this filth just coming out of here. I think that's a thumbnail right there, boys. Oh yeah, let me get it right here. Alright, let me clean up these wheels, get them as perfectly clean as I can, and I'll show you how this one turns out. Alright guys, here's the finished product. Dried up. Pretty damn clean for a very inexpensive product that you could get at any store, Walmart, any automotive retailer. Does a great job. Environmentally safe. These things are beat up, but they're ready for new tires. So if you guys got a hookup on tires, holler at me, okay? Peace out.